In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete permission set in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, move to your Salesforce dashboard where the account management and setup tools are available. Inside Salesforce, go to the top right area of the screen and locate the Quick Settings option. Select Quick Settings, and then continue by choosing Open Advanced Setup. This will take you into the Salesforce setup area, where administration settings and user management tools can be accessed. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the left side menu and continue scrolling through the available setup categories. Locate the section labeled Administration. Inside that section, continue by finding the Users category. Expand the Users section so the additional options become visible on the screen. After expanding the Users section, continue by selecting Permission Sets. Salesforce will then open the Permission Set Management page, where all available permission sets connected to the account are displayed. Once the Permission Sets page loads completely, review the list of permission sets shown on the screen. Continue scrolling through the available entries until you find the permission set you want to remove from the account configuration. In this example, an existing sample permission set is selected from the list displayed inside Salesforce. After locating the correct permission set, move to the area beside the permission set name where the available actions are shown. Continue by selecting the Delete option connected to that permission set. Salesforce will then display a confirmation prompt asking if you want to continue with the deletion process. When the confirmation message appears on the screen, review the selected permission set carefully to make sure the correct item is being removed. After confirming the selection, continue by choosing OK to approve the deletion request. Salesforce will then begin processing the update and remove the selected permission set from the account configuration. Wait a few moments while the page reloads and updates the permission set list. After the page finishes loading again, the deleted permission set will no longer appear in the Permission Set Management section. You can continue reviewing the updated list to confirm that the selected permission set has been removed successfully. The process includes opening Advanced Setup, expanding the Users section under Administration, selecting permission sets, locating the permission set you want to delete, selecting Delete, and confirming the removal request inside Salesforce. If the page takes a moment to update during any part of the process, wait for Salesforce to finish loading before continuing. Once the page reloads successfully and the permission set is removed, the process will be completed inside Salesforce. Thank you for watching.